Goochie's Cocktail channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make a Negroni. This classic drink dates back to 1919 when Count Camillo Negroni walked into a bar in Florence, Italy and said to the Italian bartender, "Hey mate, can you please make me an Americano, but rather than using soda water, I need something a little bit stronger tonight. Can you please add gin instead?" And the bartender said, "Sure mate, I'll make you one of those. Here's your Negroni." And that's how the Negroni came into existence. Anyway, to make a Negroni, you will need 4 ingredients. You need gin, you need Campari, and you need sweet vermouth. I'm using Cinzano Rosso, and you'll also need an orange to garnish. You're gonna need a shot glass, and you're gonna need to add some ice. Alright, ice is in the glass. You then need to add a shot of gin. I'm just using Gordon's. You need a shot of Campari. And you need a shot of Cinzano. Give this a stir. And that's it. We're done. This is a Negroni. May we get what we want, what we need, and never what we deserve. Cheers. Thank you, Count Negroni. This drink is amazing. You were really onto something there when you said, hey, get rid of that soda water and please add gin. This drink is a real delight. It's very smooth, but it does have a little bit of a bitter aftertaste. So if you like bitter things, you're most likely going to like this drink. If you don't, keep away. Alright guys, that brings me to the end of my show tonight. If you want to see me, Goochie, make more cocktails, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you next time. Ciao!